Hello grade 3. Today we are going to continue with unit number 8. We're not going to look at the book, we're just going to look at some more words that I think you should know, and then we're going to practice them. So today we are going to look at directions. Directions are words that tell us how to go somewhere. They also tell us where a place is. But mainly it's how to go there, how can we get there. So directions are what people tell us so that we know how we can go to a place. We can also tell other people directions to help them get to a place. So we will look at some direction words. We will also look at some prepositions. Do you remember this word from unit 7? Prepositions of time, in, on, at. Well, today we are going to look at prepositions of place. Words that tell us where something is, not when, where. Okay, now these words are next to, between, and across from. Do you know these words already? I think maybe some of you do. If you do, that's great. If you don't, watch this video and you can learn these words. Lots of pictures to help you, and then we will do some practice, some questions, and you have to circle the answer. Think about the answer, A, B, C, okay? You do not need your student book today, but you can look in your student book if you want, at the start of unit number 8, if you want to look at the 6 places, if you want to look at the pictures, that's okay. You don't need a pencil, you don't need an eraser, there is no homework. If you have them, you can wear your headphones, but that's it. Just sit down, watch the video, listen, and then at the end try to answer the questions from what you have looked at in the video today. That's it. Okay, shall we start? Okay. Okay, unit 8, as we've talked about, is places in town. If we do not know how to go to a place, so we don't know where it is, we can ask a person for directions. We can tell a person directions too. So if they do not know how to get there, we can tell them the way to get there, and this is called directions. Directions help to show us which way to go and where things are. So let's look at directions. Here are some basic directions. These are the first ones you should know. Now, I think you might know some of these. You might know all of these. I'm not sure. But if you do not, then have a look and practice. Which way is this? This is a direction. Left. Okay, and what is the opposite of left? Right. Now, what is this action we are doing here? What is the action? You know the direction, but what are we doing here and here? Turn, that's right. Turn, turn, turn left, and turn right. Now, how about this? We are going in one direction and then we turn around. Turn around. We can also say that if we do this, we come back. Come back. And the last one, how about this? Go straight. Go straight. So these are some basic direction words. There are more, but these are the ones you really need to know if someone tells you in English how to go somewhere, or if you want to tell another person how to go to a place. Okay, these next words are prepositions of place. Now, in Unit 7 we looked at prepositions of time. Do you remember? At, in and on. Well, these words that we are going to look at now are prepositions of place. They tell us where a thing is. So let's look at the first one. Next to. Next to. Here we can see two houses and they are next to each other. Next to. This house is between the two other houses. It is between. For something to be between, there must be three objects. Here we can see house number 1, house number 2 and house number 3. House number 2 is between house number 1 and house number 3. And the last one, look at the office and the house. Where are they? They are across from. So the office is across from the house and the house is across from the office. They are not next to each other. They are not next to. Okay, look, there is a road between them. They are across from. Okay, let's practice. Here we can see a boy. That's me. And in this picture we can see the fire station. So I'm going to ask you a question and then I'm going to give you an answer, A, B or C. Look at the picture, think about the direction and then think about, is it A, is it B or is it C? So let's start with an easy one. Question, how do I get to the fire station? So the question is, how do I get to the fire station? There is the direction. What direction is this? Can you remember? Is it A? Turn left. B? Go straight. Or C? Turn right. What is it? Can you remember? Is there a turn in this blue arrow? No. So the answer is go straight. B. How do I get to the fire station? B. Go straight. Okay, here's the next one. There's me, hello, and there's the hospital. So let's practice. Question. How do I get to the hospital? How do I get to the hospital? Okay, what direction is this? Is it A, turn right, B, go straight, or C, turn around? Well, if we look at the blue arrow, we do go up straight, but then we go around and then we come back. What action is the same as come back? Turn around, that's right. So the answer is C, turn around. Okay, there's me, hello, and the bakery. Let's practice. So the question is, how do I get to the bakery? Well, I start here, then I do this, and then I do this. So is the answer A, turn right, then turn left, B, come back and turn left, or C, turn left, go straight, then turn right? Is it A, B, or C? Well, let's have a look. So the first part is turn left, then go straight, and then the last one, right. Well, what's the action? Turn right. So turn left, go straight, and then turn right. So the answer is C. Did you get that one? That one was not so easy. Okay. What is this place? It's the bank, where we keep our money. How do I get to the bank? Ah. Oh. Ah. Ah. Okay. How do I get to the bank? Is it A, turn left, go straight? B, turn around, go straight, turn left, and go straight? Or C, turn right, turn around, turn right, go straight, and turn right? Which one do you think? It's C. Turn right, turn around or come back, turn right, go straight, and turn right. And where are we? We are at the bank. And look, there is a lady waiting to see us. Okay, how was that? Was that easy or was that difficult? Okay, let's practice a different question now. Let's practice the question where. So let's ask this question. Where is the pet shop? Where is the pet shop? Here it says pet store. Now American people say pet store. English people say pet shop. I don't care if you say pet shop or pet store. They are the same thing. It's okay. Now let's look at our question. Where is the pet shop? What's this? A, it's next to the bank. B, it's across from the bank. Or C, it's next to the bakery. Well, let's have a look. Can you see a bakery? No, so it can't be C. So it must be A or B. Is it next to the bank or across from the bank? It's next to the bank. So the answer is A. Did you get that one? Okay, let's look at the next one. Question is, where is the fire station? Now here we can see 3 places. 3. This should help you to remember which word we are going to use to say where the fire station is. We can see 3 places. Okay, answer 1. A, it's next to the bakery. B, it's between the bank and the hospital. Or C, it's across from the hospital. Well, A, is there a bakery in this picture? No, so we know it's not A. B, it's between the bank and the hospital. Well, I can see a hospital. And C, it's across from the hospital. And there is a hospital. But there is also a bank. So there are 3 places. A bank, a fire station, which is where we want to know where it is, and a hospital. So what is it? It's between. The fire station is between the bank and the hospital. The answer is B. Okay, let's do one more. Here's our question. Where is the post office? Where is the post office? A. It's across from the hospital. B. It's next to the pet shop. Or C. It's between the bakery and the fire station. I think this is very easy. You know that only one of these has the name of the place in the picture. Which one is it? Yes, it's the hospital. It's across from the hospital. So the answer is A. How did you do? Did you get all of these correct? Did you get some of these correct? It's okay. This is just the very, very start of unit number 8. We have not even looked at the book yet. We are just doing a little bit of fun practice, okay? What I really want you to do is remember these words: across from, next to, and between. Keep practicing these 3 words, okay? Okay, good. That's it. How did you do? Now today we're just learning these new words. Now the directions are not in unit number 8 in the book, but I think they are very, very, very important to know if we are talking about places. If you cannot tell someone how to go to somewhere, or if you cannot understand someone when you ask them in English, how can I go there, you will not get to that place and you'll just be driving around going, oh no, I don't know where I am. Okay, so keep watching this video. You can watch it as many times as you like. Practice the words. Have a look at Unit 8 in your student book. Just have a look. Okay. And next class we will practice the 6 new words and we will look at question number 1. And that's it. Okay. See you next class. Bye.